Hello, this is Tanner from Tanner Studios, and today I am reviewing set number 10219, the Maersk train. It has 1,234 pieces. Its age is 14 plus. This is the box, very pretty box and such. Oh yes, and to top parts list, bottom the usual. Product images of the train, the Lego logo, set number. You can add power functions to it as you wish. Now to get onto the set, which I have up here, this is the main portion of it. This is the train, the actual locomotive. I thought it was a really pretty good set. Well, I like trains and stuff, you know. I like, cause Lego trains and such, you know. Back side, it's got the maersk logo on it. It's got the set number. Had a lot of stickers. That's the only thing I don't like. Take off the top, and the minifigure goes in there. Just like that, as such. You just put it back on. The sides are supposed to come off, but I don't really know how. So yeah, it ends up falling apart if I try to. The tops come off though, to add power functions. That's the train. And then you have the cargo. This is one of the gray ones. The other two look sort of like that. These two are the same, exact thing. Back, maersk logo. This one is the I forgot what you call it. Refrigerator. I guess it's giant refrigerator cargo. Has all the gears and everything in the back to make it cold. Maersk logo on the back. Those are the containers, and then you have this, which is what these containers go on. You can put one like that, have two, one here, or you can take it off, take this piece out, and it'll fit snug into the loading part. Like that, and then it just connects with the magnet things to the cargo train, and it runs smoothly. And this has been my review of set number 10219, the Maersk train. I thought it was a pretty good set, and I think you should go out and buy it if you have the $100, and yes, it is on sale if you go to your Lego store. That is all for this video. See me next time. Goodbye.